How to change storage location of search index in Windows 10. Windows Search can help you find files instantly, but did you know that the search index's storage location might be slowing you down? Let's walk through how to move the Windows 10 search index to a new drive for better performance. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is indexing? Windows uses a system called indexing to speed up search results. Think of it like a library catalog. Instead of scanning every book, your PC checks a prepared list of file names, metadata, and properties. That catalog, which is the index, is stored on your system drive by default. But that's not always ideal. If your system drive is full or overworked, moving the index to a less used or faster drive like an SSD can free up space and improve system responsiveness. It can also help reduce wear on the system drive, avoid storage conflicts, and shorten backup times. Steps to change storage location. Here's how to do it. Option 1. Go to the control panel and select Indexing Options. Click Advanced, then select a new index location under Index Location Select New. Confirm your choice and close the dialog boxes. Option 2, more thorough. Press Win+R, type services.msc, and stop the Windows Search Service. Then repeat the steps to change the index location, same as option 1. Restart the service and Windows will rebuild the index in the new location. Important checks before moving. Ensure you have administrator rights added for accuracy. Verify the target drive has enough free space and will remain accessible. If you hit permission errors, check security, properties, and ensure your user account has full control. Wrapping it up. Want to go further? Rebuild the index periodically, exclude unnecessary file types, and monitor performance using Task Manager. If using an HDD, consider defragmenting the drive to improve read/write speeds. These steps help keep indexing fast and efficient. For more information, check out our official blog post on changing the search index location in Windows 10, linked in the description below.